Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the batteries and laying them aside so you won't short anything. Once done, open the case using the correct screw or a plastic pry tool. This prevents cracking plastic. Make sure to inspect the rubber keypad and the printed circuit board visually. Look for torn pads, sticky grime, or corroded battery contacts. You'll also check the small dome contacts and any loose components, because spotting the issue early saves time in later steps. Now you'll clean and repair the parts that actually make buttons work. First, remove grime and corrosion with 70–90% isopropyl alcohol and a soft swab, then let everything dry completely. If traces on the PCB are worn, restore conductivity using conductive ink or silver paint, and if a trace is gone, a tiny jumper wire works. Replace torn silicone pads or dab conductive paint onto the button contacts. This restores the electrical path, so the remote registers presses reliably. Reassemble the remote carefully, making sure the rubber keypad aligns with each contact and all screws are snug but not over-tightened. Then insert fresh batteries and test every button. Use a phone camera to verify infrared LED output if a device doesn't respond. If some buttons still fail, check battery voltage and continuity on traces. Once you've ruled out simple fixes, weigh the cost of replacing the microcontroller or buying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.